Breezy Holster can be attached to Breezy Blue as an easy and convenient way to hold your controller. Unbox Breezy Holster and remove the 2 screws on the top of the body. Once the screws are removed, slide the cap off and insert the controller into the holster. Screw the cap back into place. Attach the top of Breezy Holster to the handle opposite the fill port on Breezy Blue, then secure the bottom of the holster to the base. Plug the charging cable into the controller and wrap the cord around the cord wrap on the side of the holster. Press the end of the cable into the slot.